I have 60 minutes to make this meal. Total cook time, 20 minutes, or so it says. So, chopping the onion. Composting is great for the environment. You better be doing it. Onions, check. Scallions coming in. They're crunchy. I was going to use these, but then I found these and thought this would save time. Blinjack. Need a big pan. Use what's handy. Keep some for the dogs later. The pressure's getting to me. I don't know how they could do this in 20 minutes. With the prepping and the cooking. Pan's heavy and it's hot. I'm weak and I'm lazy. We're reusing the same pan, so I gotta drain off the fat. Put the meat back in. Sometimes you gotta measure with your heart. Oh, we're 20 minutes in. I still don't see how you can make this in 20 minutes. My hoisin. I'm drinking a matcha latte. Very healthy. Without the sugar. I might have run out of... Oh, you gotta go get another one. Butane. Back in business. Sayonara. Garlic, ginger, soy sauce. Hoisin sauce. Woo. You want that soy sauce umami. And then we cook until it's wilted. Maybe we'll be done in 35 minutes. Ooh, 30 minutes in. Not bad, not good. Más o menos. Wilted, not wilted.
Okay.
Finally, the scallions. And stop. 36 minutes. That's a pretty quick meal, but not 20 minutes. Let's see how it tastes. Good crunch. Better than I thought it would be. And as promised, okay, everybody sit. Sit. He's sitting. Is that good, babies? Good. I never saw him squat and stand like this.